What is going on? My name is Ario DeJuice from Juicy Tech Podcast. Much love to you. Welcome back to another video or episode for the podcast. The podcast is available everywhere from Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music. We are everywhere, and it's all thanks to people like you supporting the channel and the podcast. So I'm glad to assist. That was a train. I'm sorry for the noise. I'm going to the beach soon, but I'm near this terminal. So if you hear a noise from a train, that's why I'm in a terminal. But yeah, like I said, so that's what's going on. Thanks for your support very much. I want to talk about Boca code in this video. Now, I say this all the time. This channel right now is all about me documenting my journey into the tech field. And that's what I talk about here the most. So if you're into that, if you want to learn what I'm doing next, not that you really care, but I went to a coding boot camp last year, back in 2022, around summertime. I went to a school called Boca Code. It's in Boca Raton, Florida, South Florida area. I went there around July 2022, and it was by far one of the most amazing experience ever. And I say that because of the teachers, the students, what they were teaching us, the comfort or the comfortable environment that it brought to the students there. It was a great experience, and it wasn't easy, but I will go back there again. It was just that much, not just fun, but informative, right? It's not just them teaching you stuff like the hard skills, but they're teaching you soft skills, and that's something that a lot of people just do not have. I've met a lot of hardworking people with hard skills. They know what they're doing. They can code. They can do this, can do that. The problem is they're not the most welcoming people. Like, they don't know how to hold a conversation. They're very awkward, and that makes people feel uncomfortable quick, right? Especially me. Yeah, it's not good, especially if you're trying to find a job. And it kind of goes beyond finding work. It's more just life, right? If you're trying to meet someone and meet your love, your partner, your love life, whether your love life. If you're trying to meet people and date, you want to make sure you have great soft skills. You can hold a conversation, ask questions, and not make people feel awkward and you're not talking, is something wrong. Like, you want to break out of that shell, be able to be pleasant, and just be able to interact with human beings. That's a big deal, right? It's a big deal, especially in the tech field, because my current role right now is at South County Mental Health Center in Delray Beach. It's a tech job. I work in the implementation department. It's where they have the web developers, IT, and people like me that that's building their forms. Basically, what they're doing is the project I'm in right now is they're basically trying to transfer their hard copy forms into a digital form. So we have to build these forms using HTML, MySQL, and other technologies to do that. So it's not web development, but it is you are developing something. So I don't want to say it's coding, but it's a little bit of coding because we are using HTML. But that's what I'm doing right now. And we work in teams, right? We work in teams. There's like 80 of us trying to get this done. They have like thousands of forms that needs to be transferred to, a digital copy or copies. And it's a lot of work. It's tedious work. But we work in teams, right? And it's my first time working there. So I'm new to the environment. I'm new to people. I have to not start making friends, but being able to interact with my team members so we can get the work done. And I brought this up because this is where soft skills come in. I can come in and know what I'm doing, which I do know what I'm doing. But if I don't know how to talk to people, if I make people feel uncomfortable and, I'm not really talking and, asking questions and just interacting, because we have to talk back and forth. I may have a problem. He or she may have a problem. And by you having those skills, being able to talk to people and be able to tell them what to do, or maybe you have a question for them, you need soft skills. You need to have a way of talking to people because you work in teams. And I promise you, nobody wants to work with someone that's hard to work with. They want to work with people that's pleasant, that's I need to talk to you so I can get this done. And we work in teams. So it's really important that we communicate as much as possible so we can get this job done. So that's where soft skills come in. Again, I can know all the things about what they're doing over there, but if there's no communication, they won't hire me. They won't have me on their team. It's going to be bad. You need to be able to communicate with people effectively. It's a big deal. And this is what they're teaching at Boca Code right now. Soft skills. And I'm sure other boot camps are doing the same thing, but I'm just trying to just shine light on the importance of soft skills. And that's what they're teaching at Boca Code. And I'm very, I'm just happy they pushed that. They pushed the students to pair up in teams, groups, and knock out whatever assignment that was assigned to them, or whatever they have to build or fix. It's amazing. And that's something that I'm doing right now in my current job, working in teams and groups. So I was ready to prepare for this because of the boot camp. You know what I mean? So it's awesome. So with all that said, if you're watching this and you're looking to join Boca Code, go for it. Let them know, you watched a video from this guy named Juice on YouTube. They know me as Juice over there. My real name is REOD Juice, but they know me as Juice. Todd Albert, he's the owner of the school. I work closely with him. The guy's awesome. Let him know that, you watch my like one of my videos. He'll be very happy to hear that, because I do work with the school closely, which means is by you watching this video and you had interest in the school by watching this piece of content, that's a big deal for me, because I do get paid for that, to be honest with you, right? I do receive income for the amount of people who I help decide to sign up to the school. So this is something I'm very excited about, because not only did I go to the school, I get to work with them closely and help people, just inform people about the school itself. But I'll just say that I won't give you any further information about the school in terms of pricing and scheduling. I think that's something that needs to be shared with you by the actual staff members of Boca Code. I'm not a staff member, but I do work closely with the school, like I said before. So that's what I'll tell you more, my experience being there. And it was very pleasant. It's comfortable. The people are super knowledgeable. You're going to learn a lot. It's going to kick your butt for the next 10 weeks. It's a 10-week course. It's brutal, especially if you're new to this, because, I encourage you, before you even join Boca Code or whatever coding bootcamp or even college, I encourage you to teach yourself coding first. Teach yourself all the basics, all the 101s about coding. So from JavaScript, HTML, CSS, what's an API, what's a database. I'm in front of this terminal, like I said before, so trains are going off. It's moving. I'm sorry for the noise. Why am I here? Because I thought it was a quiet space, but it's not. But anyway, yeah, the school is really awesome, and I'm glad I can just give you information about it, because I actually went there. I'm a former student of Boca Code, and I'm glad to assist as much as possible. So again, if you're looking to join, go for it. But before even doing that, teach yourself coding first. Sit down. If your typing speed is not the fastest, get that fixed as well. Do everything at home before, if you're ready to, like, I guess the term is, you're looking for a more advanced way of teaching or learning, then school will be your next option, basically. If that makes any sense. But before spending any money, again, learn as much as you can. Be ahead of the class. Don't be so brand new to everything. What's VS Studio Code? What is a function? What is an array? Like, don't be so brand new to this stuff. Have it down pat before going to school. It's gonna help you. You have no idea how much time and stress you're gonna save if you do this. Sit down and teach your butt how to code for a good 3 months or something like that, and just go crazy and learn as much as you can. A lot of talking points, but again, I'm just here to just inform as much as I can. And the school is awesome. I just had fun over there, and I learned a lot. And they helped me get a job. Believe it or not, even though I never finished Boca Code, I didn't finish it. I never finished the school. We'll talk about that some other time, but I never got a chance to finish it. Yet, even though I never finished, I still found work, and I'm still getting opportunities. I get phone calls from recruiters all the time, because they know I went to Boca Code. They see my content online. They know, okay, this guy's, he knows what he's talking about. He went to school, blah, blah, blah. It just makes you look really good that you're trying to learn as much as you can. So the school did help me find work, and they're helping me find more work. There's multiple reasons why I'm able to find work, but Boca Code is definitely one of the top 5 reasons why I was able to land my current role as a contractor at South County Mental Health Center as a data specialist. There's another word for it. It's weird. Again, I'm not a web developer over there, but yeah, I'll just say a data specialist, a specialist. I'll say that. Listen, let me get out of here. Let me go enjoy the rest of the weather. Let me just show you my, not the best view. I'm in the parking lot. Again, I'm in the terminal, but the beach is that way, so I have to go that way. But yeah, let me get out of here. Again, more information about Boca Code down below. If you're also looking to learn new skills outside of web development, maybe IT, I do also work with this school called Course Career. They gave me a coupon code to use, to give to you to use if you're looking to learn, you know, other skills besides web development. So digital marketing, sales tech, you know, again, IT, you know, they teach those things at Course Career. So if you're not into Boca Code, if you're not into web development or software engineering, that's another option for you. IT, sales tech, digital marketing. More information down below. The school is called Course Career. Again, they gave me a $50 coupon code to give to you, so take advantage of that free money. The course is about, I want to say $400 to $500, something like that. I'm taking the IT course right now with Course Career. I'm almost done with it, but I think it was like $400 or $500, but $50 off. $50 off. Use it and learn a new skill and earn more money, because you need to learn a new skill to make more money in this new economy, this new world. It's all about tech right now. So get involved, learn a new skill in tech. I don't care if it's web development or IT or sales tech, whatever. Just learn somewhere and get the skill and start making some good money. So much love to you. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you on the next one. Let me go enjoy the rest of my day here in South Florida. Peace out. Thanks for watching.